if you're doing a business or even if you're doing a job and you have so much of habits to track and you're confused about what things to do in your day, and there are many habits, then this Notion template is for you. Let's see what it is about. So as we can see, we have two sections here. First is self improvement section and second is work productivity section. So there are different buttons that we can click here, and there is a different database. When we click a button here, then the checkbox is going to be checked in that database. So every day what happens at around 12 a.m. when the day starts, there is going to be a new line where your habits will be tracked. So whenever you wake up, example, you are waking up at around 7, you can take some habits here, and in the today's database, in the today's date, your habits is going to be ticked. So let us see how it is happening. And suppose you woke up today and you got 8 hours of sleep. It depends person to person, but I like to track my sleep. So if you got 8 hours of sleep, you can just click this button, and below here in today's date, your 8 hours of sleep will be ticked. You can change the views also. You can try like see it in 1 month's time frame also, and you can track it like that. If you have meditated, then there is a box here, and when you press the button from here, then this box is going to be checked. So this is how you can maintain it, and you can like change a different buttons here, and you can like do it according to your priority, but this thing is really effective. And below you can also calculate your percentage, your success percentage or your failure percentage also. You can also count the number of days that you have performed the habit, and in the streaks view you can see your consistency, your streaks on a particular habit. So this is how this thing works, and I will add the description of this whole template in my YouTube description, and from there you can copy it, you can duplicate in your Notion workspace, and you can use it. And how this template works, I have already mentioned in the Notion page only, so you can check it from there, and you can like implement in your daily life. Yes, that was it. And if you're having any doubts regarding this template, then you can ask me in my YouTube comments, or you can also use Instagram DMs.